Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll show you how I use two $1 tiles that I purchased from the Family Dollar to make a beautiful flower box. Let's get started. I cut out the center strips of the tiles. I removed the plastic backing and I placed the strip onto my cardboard. This piece of cardboard is uneven, so if you could find cardboard that is even all around, it'll be perfect. The adhesive backing is only connected around the edges, so I went in with hot glue to further secure my tile. I trimmed off the excess cardboard. For my remaining pieces, I removed the plastic backing and the adhesive backing, and I connected my plastic piece to my cardboard using hot glue. And I trimmed the excess cardboard off. I went around the edge of each piece with hot glue and I connected them to form a box. I used hot glue and masking tape on the inside of my pieces to further secure them. Bottom of my box with cardboard and spray painted it, and this is what it looked like. I used Mod Podge and imitation silver leafing that I purchased from Amazon to close my gaps around the edges. After my Mod Podge dried, I removed excess leafing. And this is my flower box once I was all done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next DIY.